Hey, good morning. Katie had a great idea that we should film some behind the scenes stuff of what we do as realtors. We always film open houses. So that's what this is. I'm at City Hall right now, and we have a client we just put into escrow in Pacific Grove, and he let us know that if we can show proof that the plumbing and electrical has been updated, he'll save thousands of dollars on his insurance. So a little after 8 in the morning, I'm at the building department to see what I can find. Let's see if we can help him out. Okay, be back. Okay, I checked the file and I found the electrical and plumbing permit from 1986. Not sure if that is enough to satisfy the insurance, but we'll get it to our client anyways. Hopefully it saves him the thousands of dollars he was hoping for. I'm also going to reach out to the listing agent to see if they have any other info, but kind of a behind the scenes thing. Good idea, Katie, to show what else we do besides just open houses. We head out to the city in the morning and to see if we can help our clients. That's what we do. All right, have a great day. Bye.